All right, welcome. I'm just doing an IQ option survey here, and they asked a few questions. Why did you decide to start trading with IQ option? My first one is to earn money and to become a professional trader. How do you find out about IQ option? Well, basically, I saw an ad. Why did you choose IQ option? The interface is clear. I don't really have any problem. But one of the biggest thing is the acceptance, the minimum acceptance you get. You don't have to have too much money in order to enter IQ option. And the next thing is the low minimum transaction amount. I have never really used the customer support. I don't even know the language. I'm not so sure about that, but I enjoyed the free demo account. It helps you to understanding and the large amount of instrument that they just add to it. That is a plus. The deposit and withdrawal. I haven't really withdraw anything, but I've made a deposit. That is good. I've also heard about the company, and basically the reputation of it is that you could withdraw anytime. I haven't tried myself, but I looking forward was to try it. Do you use other brokers for tradings? Yes, I use a lot of different brokers. What would you be interested in trading? What of the following asset? Well, basically, the large leverage. I like leverage because sometimes you don't have much money, but the leverage could also increase your portfolio value as well as it could help you. For example, you have $100 and you get 100 leverage. That will be 100 times 100. So your actual money that you have could buy something that is value of $10,000 according. And if you get a $2,000 now, that increase your portfolio value and therefore increase the amount of stock or bonds or whatever it is that you could purchase. The indicators it has some indication, more peers. There's a lot of that. The CDF assets, that's a plus. The indicators, I kind of like them. I haven't used all of them, but basically I kind of like them. Now the next thing, there's not really a lot of commodities, but the Capri, the binary part of the whole thing is what I really like about it. I haven't used the ETFs, so I don't really remember. I can't really talk about that. Do you use news events for discussion and for making about deals? I sometimes use them, not every time, but I like using this because I like knowing what the other persons think about trading, because at the end of the day everybody have a different point of view, and the analyst might say the stock will go up, this analyst might project that it might goes down. I use platforms such as investing.com and other platforms to find out what the stock market might really be like and the movement, because I can't really predict everything and I can't really predict it. They are expert in their field. But which of the following problem for you on the IQ option platform? Um, which of the following is a problem for you on the IQ option platform? Account replenishment. When it comes to the the I think this automatically replenish withdraw funds. Platform freeze or is too slow. Platform is down now. Instrument is inaccessible. The other thing I would say is the replenishment. I was trying to remember if I have to call anybody to get it replenished. I know some accounts I have to call people to get the account replenished, but some I didn't. Well, basically, instrument accessibility, no problem to me. But basically, that's it. I think I've just covered their survey. They should have paid me to do that though. Good.